Mechanics means body. You consider a body, any body. You want to study this body. You want to study about this body. Study means motion in the body or the forces acting on the body. Forces maybe it's a self weight of the body, and if you apply any forces on the body or the movement in the body, if you want to study about these entire condition, you want to study about this entire condition either in the two conditions. One is the body is in the rest or in motion. The body is in the rest or in motion. If you study the body in the rest condition or in the motion condition, that branch of science is the mechanics. That mechanics is divided into two different categories. One is statics, another one is dynamics. Means if that body is in the rest condition, if that body is in the rest condition, means rest condition, rest means there is no motion in the body, there is no movement in the body. That branch of science is the statics. Whereas we consider if the body is in the motion, suppose if you apply the force on the body, then the body definitely moves. Then in the moving condition, if you study about that body, that is called as the dynamics. Dynamics means is depends on its motion. We are considering the forces acting on the body when the body is in the motion condition, right? Then again, here the body will be in the motion. Motion means we motion should be apply some amount of force. So based on that applied force, that is divided into two ways again. One is the kinematics, is the kinematics. Another one is the kinetics. Here, the reason for the movement in the body is only the force. While studying about this body, if we consider the forces without considering the forces acting on the body, without considering the forces acting on the body, that is called as the kinematics. If you observe that here, this is the force applied, this is the force applied. While studying about the body, we don't consider the forces, any forces acting on that body. That is the kinematics. Means here we are having these equations in the kinematics. V equal to U plus AT, S equal to UT plus half AT square, V square minus U square equal to 2AS. Whereas if you consider the force into the picture. We consider that force, then that science is called as the kinematics. That means F equal to ma equations. So these are the basic division or the basic idea about the mechanics. Simply, mechanics means we are studying the body when that body is in the rest condition or in the motion condition. That is the mechanics. We consider that body in the if you study the body in the rest condition, it is nothing but the static condition, that is called as the statics. Example for statics ki for statics example, buildings, building. Whereas dynamics means motion of the body. Study the bodies while the body is in the motion. Means suppose any automobile like a car. Example, you can study about the car. That is the dynamics. In that also, we apply the force without considering the forces acting on the body is the kinematics. Whereas if we consider the forces acting on the body is the kinetics. So this is the basic of mechanics.